Human beings are each gifted with the capacity to be a learning, evolving, creative creature. There's no reason to hold anybody back. There's no reason to say, well, that person can only do that, or this person can only do this. They can do whatever they can creatively generate in their own thinking. For everyone to be able to move ahead, it takes a completely different approach to learning and to education and to the shaping of opportunity than it has in the past. Learning is for everyone. Adaptation is for everyone. Students from any family, kids from any high school, from any background imaginable can be a great artist, a great scientist, a great social scientist, a great writer, a great philosopher, a great engineer. You can do all of those things. You can realize your own individual dream regardless of any starting point aspect of your life. There's no reason why class or structure or family income or family circumstance or personal circumstance will hold you back. And so when people ask me, are you worried about the future? I say, I'm not worried about the future. I'm not worried about the future at all, because the people that are coming through the university right now are quicker, faster, have better internalized conceptualizations of liberty and justice. They have better internalized conceptualizations of fairness. They have better internalized conceptualization and understandings of what is a person. They are master learners, more dedicated to the betterment of our society, more dedicated to the betterment of our democracy.